Let's go over how to delete user codes. User codes can be deleted from your deadbolt at any time. This code can be any combination of 4 to 6 digits. See the instructions provided with your electronic deadbolt or download them from our website for more advanced features, like how to delete all user codes at one time. Now, to delete a single user code, follow these steps. Number 1, remove the battery cover on the back of the lock. Gently press both tabs as you pull the cover away from the door. Next, press and hold the red Set button near the batteries until the deadbolt beeps twice. Step 2, enter your 6-digit programming code, then press the lock button, then press 3 and 0, then press the lock button again, then press the 4 to 6-digit user code you want to delete, followed by pressing the lock button a third time.